In today's JST Designer demonstration, we will talk about array reduce and reduce write method. This method reduces the array to a single value by executing the provided function for each value of the array. Reduce write also does the same thing, but it executes the value of array from right to left. For more information of this method, refer to original document at developer.mozilla.org. Now, let's start by creating a JST with reduce and reduced write method. For that, click on Create button. From the drop-down menu, select Transformation. Provide the name of the JST. Click on the Create button. In this example, we will use an array of a string. So click on plus sign for adding the incoming schema. Paste the incoming schema and click on Infer Schema from example JSON. Provide an ID value for this input. In our example, we are choosing input array. Click on the Save button. For outgoing schema, it would be a single value. So we will provide a single string using the same method, providing an output schema ID. Click on Save button. Provide one more output for reduce write. Click on Save. Next, we need to add the reduce and reduce write method. On the right top search menu, in Methods tab, write reduce, drag and drop reduce and reduce write method. Create a transition of input array to reduce method and create another transition from input array to reduce write method. Create a transition from reduce write return to reduce output and create a transition from reduce write return to reduce write output. In order to achieve the reduce method, we need to create a function. So we will click on the new function right below the input array of reduce method. Here, because it will be a single value and we want to see it as in single string, we would use a concatenation of the string. We will provide the first value to the string. We will pass the last current value to string n. For the better readability, we will concatenate with the space. We would return the value to an accumulator. We will go back to the reduce example tab. We will select the same function for reduce write also. For initial value, we will pass output string for both the methods. Now click on Save. Click on Run button. Provide the input array which you have copied from your clipboard. Click on the run button and voila, we have the output of reduce and reduce write. Now in order to use this JST into a workflow, click on plus button, click on select workflow, provide a workflow name, click on create. Now to use the newly created JST in IP workflow, write JST, click on the plus sign, create a transition from start to end, double click on JST formation, write the name for the new JST, provide the input array copied from the clipboard, click on save, click on the save button of the workflow and click on run. Start the workflow. And the output is here. This concludes this demonstration of array reduce and reduce write. Thank you.